Hello friends, we're gonna make a very short tutorial on how to get rid of the YouTube ad block pop-up message. Like you have an ad block, disable it or something, right? So first off, use UBlock origin. I don't know if this works with other ad blockers. You can try it. I don't care if you try it. You can leave a comment if it works with whatever other ad blocker you want to use. But yeah, that's the one I use. It's a very easy one. The other thing you need to download is Privacy Badger. Both will be linked in the comments, so you can just click it, and then on the top it should be whatever browser you have, add to it, click add, and then click OK. Now, what you need to do is you open Privacy Badger, open the options, you go to tracking domains, you type YouTube, and then you disable the top one, which is just youtube.com, which will also disable the other ones. Now, very important step that you need to do is you need to go to your settings. This might be different for different browsers, so if you don't know, just type how to delete cache and cookies for Chrome or Edge or Opera or whatever you use. For Firefox, you go privacy and security, scroll down, clear data. You only need to do this one. This one was not very important. This one you need to remove though, clear now. And yeah, that's it. Now you shouldn't get the pop-up anymore. Goodbye.